Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So firstly, apologise for my even more croakier voice than normal. For those of you that have been following my last few videos, you'll know that I've just got back from a stag do. So it's been 4 days of heavy drinking and yeah, lots of shouting and dancing and partying for one of my best friends' stag do. So yeah, not long been home. I need to get to bed really, but I thought I'd just jump on and do a quick update. I've missed catching up on everyone's videos. I've missed the community. I've missed just uploading videos and making content in general. So I thought I'd jump on and just like check in and see how everyone's getting on. Let me know in the comment section any videos that I need to watch. I know there's a lot of great videos that have been put out there. I had a quick scroll down the feed and I see that Liberty Bleeds has done his first live. I see the Stat Collector has got some Bitcoin by the looks of it. I've seen World Money Wins has got himself some more coins. I saw that Cobra Stacker and Creative Precious Metals have done their second live. So yeah, there's lots of things that I've seen and when I've been scrolling down the feed that I've put in my watch later list. But do let me know if you uploaded a video or if you've watched anyone's videos that I need to catch up on. Obviously I won't be able to catch up on every single video that I've missed because it's been like about a week now since I've been on YouTube. But yeah, let me know any videos that I need to watch. I also noticed Backyard Bullion uploaded a video of the bar that I've had handmade to give away when this channel hits 10,000 subscribers. So I'll need to watch that video as well. So yeah, I can't wait to see that. But yeah, just kind of a quick check-in video really. This is the box that I got sent just before I went away from Pressburg Mint. They kindly sent me 6 ounces of silver for me to unbox and showcase on the channel. So yeah, I'm going to show you one more piece from this selection, and then I need to get round to setting everything back up because it's looking a bit of a dumping ground actually, this setup really. I haven't got any, there's no silver on display. I need to get it all back out of storage. Like I said, I've not long been home, so yeah, I need to get it all sorted out. But but I think first thing first is to have a sleep and catch up on some much needed rest. But yeah, let's go for this one. This one's peeping out at me, and have a look at the next coin that the Pressburg Mint has sent me. Now, before I had spoken to the Pressburg Mint, I hadn't actually brought anything from them. I'd seen Backyard Bullion do a couple of videos showcasing some items he had got from the Pressburg Mint, but I hadn't actually really looked into them. And the more I've looked into them, the more I really like their stuff, because a lot of these coins have got limited mintage. And on the website, it actually tells you how many had been minted. So basically how many have been sold. So it's really nice because you can actually see how many are left. And once obviously the mintage is gone, then it's gone. So yeah, they seem to be selling out quite quickly, especially some of these. Oh wow, look at this. Wow, let's just take a few minutes to appreciate this coin. So, oh, there's the Queen there. Let's try and get this lighting a little bit better. Actually, let's just take it out the capsule. Wow, I didn't expect that. That's really effective. So it says icon on there. It's almost like a hologram. If you rotate it a certain way, I think I need to get some of these coins in my Lightbox set up so we can really appreciate them. But you can see it's actually quite hard to film. But it's almost like well, it is a hologram. One way it says icon, and then you turn it and you've got a really clear image there of the Queen. Oh, that's really effective. And then on the back, it's similar to the one that I showcased before I went away. On the back, you've got kind of this kind of matte frosted effect, which is quite nice because although it's a bit plain, I think it really makes you appreciate the other side of the coin even more so. And sometimes it's quite nice to have a little bit more of just a plain finish on a coin, especially when you've got so much going on on the other side. But look at that, really, really cool. It's basically like a photo. That's quite a cool angle. Look, it says icon, and then you can see it's really clever. It's amazing the detail you can get into some of these coins. Now let's have a quick look on their website. I'm going to pause this while I go on the website and find this coin. Right, so I've just found the coin on their website, and you can see it's part of a series. Now it's called the Icon series, and it's a series that showcases famous and important people. And you can see 30 euros on there, the coin is. It's proof-like finish, so that's why it's got such a nice finish, because it's actually a proof-like finish, which is actually not a bad price considering it's proof-like, because that's not far off what you'd pay for a normal bullion piece. So fairly reasonable price. And you can see there the other side, and you can see, like I was saying, it tells you the minted. So you can see we've got just under 10,000 available, and it says 8,000 have been minted already. Sorry, not 10,000, 91,000, and just over 8,000 minted already. So I really like this. I haven't seen this on any other website before, where it actually shows you how many are sold. So you can actually scroll down and see how popular a particular coin is and their mintage levels really, really easily. So that's really cool. And yeah, they've got so many nice coins on the website. So it's quite a nice way of seeing how popular a coin is, because obviously the more that have sold, the more popular the particular coin is. But yeah, really nice feature. I like that, how it sort of counts down as they're sold. So yeah, they've got a gold version there. That gold looks really nice. Look at that in gold. And the pictures don't really do it justice, because you can't really appreciate the pictures, because on the picture here they're kind of showing you both designs in one go, but then when you actually see it in the flesh, you can see how amazing it is, how it's got that. You can actually get them both on the same time as well. Look, so you can have them both, or you can have it saying just icon, or where's the other angle we found a minute ago? There we go. So you can see the queen there. It's a really, really good portrait. It's almost like a photo. There we go. Let's try and lock that focus there. It's basically like a photo etched into the coin. So yeah, really, really clever. And there you go. You can see icon there, queen there. And then if you do it like that, you get them both. So it's almost like 3 coins in one, because there you can see the queen and the text. There you can just see the queen, and there you can just see icon. So yeah, really, really clever. I don't know how they've managed to craft such a gorgeous looking coin. Like I said, I hadn't really heard of the Pressburg Mint up until a few weeks ago. But the more I look into them, the more I'm really impressed with their pieces. And I love the fact that this is a proof-like coin, but the price point is very similar to a standard bullion coin. And you can see the amount of craftsmanship that's gone into a coin like this. The design and everything is just really, really nice. And the fact that they've got limited mintages as well just makes it even more special, because once they're sold out, they're sold out. And then you're forced to go on the second-hand market, and that's obviously when potentially the prices could slowly increase over time. But yeah, really, really nice piece. Like I said, I need to get myself to bed now, get a little bit of rest, and then we'll be back to filming some more regular content. I've got another, I think, 4 more coins left to showcase in here, and then we'll get the silver and stuff back out on display. I'm actually going to get some different items to showcase, because it makes sense. Now I've got to go back into just different storage locations instead of bringing out all the old stuff that I had, which will eventually come back out, because that is my YouTube stack and I don't want everything getting kind of fingerprints and chipped and all the rest of it. But I do think that when I return properly to the channel, it'll be nice just to get some more different pieces out that you haven't seen. But for now, I'm going to get myself to bed. I keep getting hot and cold sweats. It's all the alcohol sweating out of me. I'm not. I'm just getting too old for stag do's. I think that's going to be the last stag do for a while. Most of my friends are married already now, so yeah, went all in this time really. But yeah, I'm feeling it now. So yeah, thanks very much for your patience while I was away. I hope everyone's doing okay. And like I said, please do leave links to videos and channels of videos that you think I'd enjoy to watch, so I can slowly start to catch up on all the ones that I've missed. I'll also leave a link to this coin in the description below if you like to purchase it. Once again, thank you very much, Pressburg Mint, for sending me this coin. Very, very generous. And I'll speak to you all soon. Hope you have a very nice day.